Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a Madam Glam haul. This is July's collection, and I think every collection that comes out in July is almost always my favorite, like literally my favorite. So let's get to swatching and we can get into the video. We're gonna start off with Love Wins. Super hot pink. Ooh, this color is so pretty. This is an amazing color. Here is Love Wins, and here it is matte. Look at how pretty that is matte. Next up we have Orchid Glam. Ooh, these are going on like butter. Here is Orchid Glam, and here it is matte. Next up, we're gonna do this super neon orange, which is in Power. These are kind of a mix between a jelly and a cream. It's like an opaque jelly, and I am absolutely here for it. Here is Empower, and here it is matte. We have our first glitter, which is Neon Honey, and by the looks of the bottle, that is the perfect description for it. Neon Honey, and here it is matte. Next up we have Sizzling Lime. Another really pretty glitter. Ooh, a little too much there, a little overzealous on my part. Try to wipe some of that off. Here is Sizzling Lime. Here it is matte. And man, these bottles have been on point, man. Next up is Electric Denim. I at least remembered to wipe my brush off, but I think I wiped too much off. We have Electric Denim. Last but not least, we have Rose Glitz. And that might look familiar. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys anyway, because mine have been on, ooh, let's see, quite some time, I won't lie. 2 weeks? Here is Rose Glitter. And then we have the Gold Paint Striping Liner. Ooh, you can get that really thin. Let me get that off. I was like, man, that looks like I can get that super thin. Like, look at how thin you can get that. It might actually be worse. So this is the color. I'll just do like a bunch of stripes down. Here is the gold striping, and then if you want to see it, matte. Super pretty. All right, here we go. You can tell I'm using a natural light here. I am so sorry I don't have my setup currently together. I'm hoping to get it reset up, but it may be a minute. Having 2 kids definitely rocked my world, and then going back to work, you know, we surviving. We're in survival mode, okay? My kid is now 3 months, survival mode. And here they are matte. Not a very good example because I'm literally blocking the light. And try not to block the light, but that's exactly what I'm doing. There we go. The gold slipped under, but you know what? We're gonna go with it. All right, I'd like to thank Madam Glam for sending these as always. I will go ahead and link them down below. I do have a discount code with Madam Glam, but usually they run a sale better than my discount code. But again, I will link it below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.